Okay, so Amazon Prime Video's Our Fault is finally here. And honestly, it's the emotional roller coaster fans of the Culpables trilogy have been waiting for. If you remember, Nick and Noah's stories have been, well, complicated. They started off as step siblings, then lovers, and now we catch up with them 4 years after their breakup. Gabriel and Nicole are back, and they really bring all the angst, passion, and drama to life. So here's the deal. Nick has stepped up at his date's company, trying to be responsible, and Noah is out here just trying to live her own life and heal from everything that happened before. And of course, fate throws them together again at a friend's wedding. Cue all the tension and all sparks flying. But oh, they are both in serious relationships now, so it's not exactly easy. Then, the big bombshell. Noah is pregnant with Nick's baby. At first, she keeps it a secret because, well, she wants some stability for herself and the baby. She is not the impulsive teen from the first movies anymore. But spoilers alert, she carries the baby to term and gives birth to a boy at the end. Cute, right? Of course, it wouldn't be a culpable story without some chaos. Nix finds out, breaks off his engagement with Sophia, and then there is this super emotional chase scene as he goes after Noah. But just when things are looking good, a former employee who is mad about losing his job shows up and shoots Nick. Total panic moment. He ends up in a coma, but Noah sticks by him. And when he finally wakes up, the little family is finally complete. Oh, and there's more drama, because it wouldn't be complete without it. Briar, Noah's old roommate and Nick's ex, comes back for revenge. She even drops in Michelle, who also has beef with them. But thanks to some quick thinking and honestly their family dog, Nick and Noah save their son and finally get a happy ending. They even get married and drives off in a race car, which feels so them. Wild, dramatic, and totally fitting. So, yeah, while it ends on a happy note, there's still a lot left to imagine. Like, will their parents ever fully accept them? Are they really safe from past trauma? But for now, fans can breathe a little because Noah and Nick are finally together. And if you want to watch it all from the beginning, the order is 2023 is my fault, 2024 is your fault, and now 2025's our fault. All streaming on Prime Video.